Hello everyone! Everything you're about to hear in this video is backed by experienced mechanics who are working right here in the shop with me. So relax, we're going to get this figured out. If your Ford or Lincoln shows the message, drive control malfunction, service required, the first thing to do is take a deep breath. It doesn't mean the car is about to fall apart or that you need to call a tow truck right away. This warning appears when one of the systems that helps control how the vehicle drives, traction, stability, suspension, or drive modes, detects something unusual and goes into protection mode before the issue gets worse. To make it easier to understand, think of your car as a team of systems working together. They all communicate through wiring and electronic modules. When one of them sends incorrect data, responds late, or stops responding altogether, the rest of the system realizes something isn't right, and that's when the message shows up. That's why many times the car still drives normally, but with certain features limited. Now, according to many mechanics here at the shop, one of the most common causes is the battery or voltage. Yes, something as simple as an old, weak battery or dirty battery terminals can confuse the system. Even if the car starts just fine, the modules need steady voltage. When they don't get it, strange warnings start to appear. In many cases, just replacing the battery or cleaning the connections makes the message disappear completely. Staying on the electrical side of things, fuses, ground points, and connectors are another key area. A slightly loose fuse, a corroded ground, or a poorly connected plug can cause a sensor to send bad information. When that happens, the drive control system protects itself. That's why mechanics always recommend checking the basics before jumping to expensive parts. If the electrical system checks out, then the sensors come into play, especially the wheel speed sensors and the ABS system. These sensors tell the car how each wheel is rotating. If one is dirty, damaged, or failing, the computer thinks the vehicle isn't behaving correctly and disables the drive control system for safety. A lot of people have fixed this warning just by cleaning or replacing a wheel speed sensor. Something that surprises many drivers is that the suspension can also trigger this message, especially on models with adaptive suspension or selectable drive modes. A faulty shock solenoid, a damaged wire, or a sensor that's out of range can cause the warning, even if the car feels normal while driving. At this point, a more advanced scan is needed to pinpoint exactly which component is causing the issue. In some situations, the message appears out of nowhere and then goes away on its own. This usually points to a temporary electronic glitch. It can happen after disconnecting the battery, performing maintenance, driving on very rough roads, or even after washing the vehicle. Turning the car off, waiting a few minutes, and restarting it has solved more cases than you might expect. Just keep in mind, if there's a real underlying problem, the message will eventually come back. When the warning becomes constant, that's when it's time to get serious and scan the vehicle with a tool that can read Ford or Lincoln modules, not a generic scanner. This system stores specific codes that indicate whether the issue is coming from the ABS, suspension, module communication, or the drive control module itself. A proper scan prevents replacing parts blindly and wasting money. Finally, in less common cases, the issue ends up being a faulty module or a software problem. Some vehicles simply need a software update or reprogramming so all the systems can communicate properly again. Mechanics agree on one thing. This is rarely the first cause and it's always checked last, after the battery, sensors, wiring, and connections have been ruled out.